Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities at US-based stocks. Today we will talk about famous Walt Disney Corporation traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name DIS. Well, Walt Disney, who doesn't know it, very nice stock, very interesting. Not only the company itself, but the stock behavior is also showing very strong recovery line, very strong recovery sequence here after COVID depth. And for Disney, as many other stocks, actually, the situation is really COVID dependent, because when all restrictions were imposed on, let's say, on the parks, it's not only about the videos itself, but also park sector was closed, and this caused also some decay of the company here. We saw that the very deep at March 17, but then now with actually many park services being open from 15th of July, and slowly the restrictions going to be lifted. The park sector is opening, and also overall company is starting to recover, and indeed showing very strong recovery trend. Let's call it trend 1 here, and it started immediately after COVID. Actually, it was reconfirmed many times. It was confirmed at April. It was confirmed beginning of May. It was also confirmed in several waves of middle of May. And it's growing up using sometimes moving average 20 or 50 as support line, which is above trend 1 line. By the way, here we have 3 moving averages depicted. And also reconfirming again strongly a trend 1 line at the end of June, and then also beginning of August. And actually beginning of August here, what we saw as well, after showing positive quarter reports, there was a new wave, not just started as expected, but it was actually double coincidence. It was expectation of new upwards wave, but also reports, and also chart situation was very positive. So RSI was in the middle. The MACD index actually was just crossing from the zero, and all these caused very nice, very big jump here at the beginning of August. And now what we see, that the wave is being flattening. So upwards wave is being flattening, but moving average 20 is positive here, and also moving average 200 is decelerating on downwards movement, as slowly going in future go up. And moving average 50 is not yet enough turning to upward trend. It's still like a hesitant. It's flat here. You can see it. So what does it mean? It doesn't mean any change of the trend. Trend is upwards positive. Trend 1 will be confirmed, of course. It even might be that trend 1 will move to faster trend, trend 2, which will be somewhere like that. We don't know exactly what will be the inclination here, but it should be faster. But for the current wave, what is important for those who want to buy it at a slower term, a shorter term, and sell it. So for long terms, guys, buyers, you can already enter, just find something interesting when you see with the price and go in. But if you are more like a short or mid-term player, you need to catch the wave, and the wave here is nice moment, because speaking of waves, it's about to correct. This current wave is about to correct, because first of all, the moving average 50 is not enough, is not fast enough here, so we might observe some slight correction. The levels on which it will go, I don't know. Most probably it won't really reach trend 1 line. Maybe it will use moving average 200 as a support and go further upwards, or it will be this level. Actually, which also coincides with moving average 200. It will be really very strong double support then here. Anyway, now it's in the area of correction most probably, and anything here below the current price and this dark line is a very good buy opportunity. And of course, whenever it reaches, if it reaches, which is not given, trend 1 line, it will be very strong to buy. Also, what speaks about correction is that we're a little bit in overbought situation for RSI, and MACD index is now showing the positive wave, which should slightly correct, either go to 0 downwards or even negative level, and then restart. So it will probably either start from 0 with another waves, then it will be like double positive wave, for example, like we saw here in the June period, or it will go down and then go positive upwards. In both cases, the stock is very positive, expectations are very positive. What also is nice here, that we pierced upwards the moving average 200, which worked as downwards trading channel here. It was also very scary when it didn't pierce the moving average 200 at June 8, but now all fears are gone. We pierced it and we are on upward side. So some correction is possible, as just was said, towards dark line, but overall Disney is good to buy after the correction and stay in it. That was it for Walt Disney. Good luck with this one, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.